Hey, what's up guys? This is Daniel. Here's Dominic right back here. And we have a little video for you guys today. We went on a little trip, and as we came back, we find the car like this. So as we start the car, there's a bad noise, like a little balloon that's deflating. So our rear airbag popped while the car was parked for about a week. So we're going to install an airbag. Now, you all heard the horror stories where Mercedes charges $6,000 to replace the airbags. And that is true because they don't want you to come back with any issues. They will replace all the airbags, they will replace the compressor. This car isn't worth $6,000, so we're going to do it ourselves. And here's what we got. We got an R-nut air suspension for a 2004 S500 Mercedes W220. Oh wow, this is massive. Just unpacked this, and this is a huge piece. I can't believe this actually fits in there. I need to double check to make sure that's not a front one, because it looks like about the size of a front one. So let's get it checked out. This is a remanufactured model, and it's been remanufactured by Continental. So it's backed by 1-year warranty. So now that we got everything unpacked, let's take apart the old stuff. Alright, this is where the air suspension goes. It's a big thing and attaches right to here, so we're gonna have to get that out. And then we're gonna figure out where it's going on the inside. Alright, so if you guys thought you got a super duper speaker system and you thought this is a speaker cover, it actually is not. This is the cover for the top of the suspension. Before we work on any electrical system of the Mercedes, we gotta unhook the battery, just for safety. Swivel extension. I bought these at Harbor Freight. I believe they were $5 or $10 for a whole set of these. Do yourself a favor, get yourself some. Come on, buddy. Oh, you must be kidding me. Yeah, this whole thing is open now. I can't get it out. Okay. Pull it, pull. Oh, something's different. Okay, all right, let it go. Okay. Now, I'm gonna try to get it out without breaking the brakes. Here we go. Whew. Holy shit. Okay, now we have to find where the cable disconnects. Holy crap, this is huge.
So that's all broke, just on this side.
Yeah, as far as we know. Lift it where?
There you go. Almost out.
You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And stretch it for.
Rotate.
There you go.
Alright.
Now
That
you
was
just
gonna
gotta
make me
try
take
to
off
the
that whole thing.
same
This is such a long
configuration.
process, by the way.
It's not too bad. Alright, well, somewhere here. Wow. See that bolt?
Which bolt?
There's a bolt hanging right off the back. Oh shit, I just poked it through.
You got it?
Yep, sure do. All right. This is on. Hell yeah. Now, the next one is a big bolt. There's a big bolt somewhere, huge one. Actually, you know what? You know what this doesn't have? This doesn't have thread locker. There we go. That's where it's supposed to be. Done. Don't open it too much. Okay, I'll do it. Remember how we did it earlier? Whoa! Too fast. Alright, I got it.
Is it
You got
locked?
it? Good. Slowly. Go for it. Yeah. Perfect speed. Perfect speed. Let it go. 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 Keep it going. Keep it going. Alright, open it up. Open. In here. And pump it up. Now, we're gonna do it slowly, a little bit further in. Alright, here we go. Now, go ahead, slowly. Lift. Yes. Go ahead, keep going. Keep going. Okay, a little bit more. Okay, that's it. Now, a little bit more. A little bit more. That's it.
Okay.
Oh. Alright. That's it. Drop that.
No, you gotta connect it, don't you?
Yeah, I know, but we have to reposition the jack. We gotta get it over
Drop
to this. Drop it. Slowly. Alright, let's pop it back underneath here and let's lift it up as high as we can. Okay, this one's in. Okay, here we go. Now, where the heck did it go? Okay, I see it.
That's a lot of things so you can slide under the
I
car.
see it. It needs to go.
Does it have space? Does it seem like it would get stuck on this? That's supposed to go up and down, right?
No, come on. Alright, this is up. And now I have no shot of this.
Am I good? I don't know where my fingers are. I'm gonna slice my fingers right here.
Alright. Bring it back down. The wrong way to lift. That's alright, you need a bath anyways. Alright, look. I'll show
Yeah, I
you.
know. This doesn't come off in the back.
Look, see this lip right here? Alright. You're gonna lift it.
Go from the bottom.
Right onto the lip. There you go. Once it's on the lip, you gotta hold it on the bottom. So you can line it up. If you get the light, where's the light?
So, yeah.
So you can see the spokes.
Look. Look at me.
I know what I'm looking for.
The holes.
I know what I'm looking for.
So line.
Okay, pop it in. It's lined up.
Only change.
There you go. Next one. Yeah.
Across.
Okay, next. Next. Yeah.
Am I in?
Yeah.
It's moving.
Is it grabbing it?
Yeah.
Can you look? Okay. I think it's. Yes. Okay. Now.
Alright, so we're locked out right now. So we have to open it with a key. That's the moment. Moment of truth, if the money was well spent. Don't worry, I'll clean it up all later.
Don't you want to remove this thing from the bottom?
Yes. Drop it. Oop, not too much. Alright, start the car.
Where's the key at?
In the ignition. You recording? Let it idle. Does it say something on the dash?
There it goes.
Oh! It's happening! Or not. Pre-save
No,
audio.
it's going. It's still going.
It's good enough. It can take up to 2 minutes. And there's no noise. Is it working? Huh? Yes, it is working. Let it go all the way through the cycle. All the way till it's done.
You read that?
Alright, beautiful. Turn it off. Job well done. Alright, sweaty mess. It took us just about 2 hours to get one exchanged. You should do them in pairs. I'll just do one of them. The car is too old to worry about doing it in pairs. The other one is probably gonna die within the next few years. We'll repeat it at that time. That being said, I bought this for just under $300 from a local auto store. Took advantage of one of the 25% off coupons. I did buy the remanufactured one, which is still okay. It's a 1-year warranty instead of a lifetime warranty. However, reading the instruction, it looks like if you install it yourself, you don't have a warranty anyway, so it doesn't really matter. You might as well just get the cheaper one instead of paying double. This thing is seriously a monster. On the internet, everywhere I see the professionals that take off the calipers, it's too cumbersome, a little pry bar and a little bit of muscle with 2 people, and you can get it out safely and easily. If I do the other side, I bet you I could do it in an hour, maybe 15 minutes instead of 2 hours. There was a lot of figuring out to do. And if you have a lift or a friend with a lift, it will help you tremendously to get this out and back in the new one. Other than that, service that would have cost well over $1,000 just for one corner, which Mercedes wouldn't do just one corner. The whole system, I heard, cost about $6,000 to exchange. In my case, like I said, $300 or just under $300. And when I return this behemoth, I'll get my $50 core charge back again. So my total cost on this probably in the $255, maybe $260. I'll put it in the description, the exact amount. But there you go. If you decide to go to coils, it would actually be more expensive, and you don't want to drive an S500 on coils. It's the most comfortable on those on that Airmatic suspension. So just go get yourself one, get it in there. Don't be afraid of it. It took my son and me 2 hours. It was a fairly easy install. So go and do it. I think we did a good job. I'll take it out tomorrow for a drive, and we'll see what happens. Take care, guys.